Everybody's asking how to get a water heater up some stairs. Well, I drained the water heater, I turned it upside down, got all the water out of it, and now I'm going to try to get it up the stairs by myself. 40-gallon empty water heater. This will be a record just in case I end up dying. Try to get it up one stair at a time and use that tarp and bear hug it. Two? No, that was 2 steps. Grabbing this tarp like it's got like handles. Go slow. It's all about leverage, not necessarily about strength. I call that a major success. So if you could, in theory, have holes on the side of that water heater, it would be really easy to get up there. But you use that tarp. You can use any tarp. You can use a regular painter's tarp, but that's got more of a rubber. It's put on stairs for anti-slip, so hope that helped.